How to find page updates settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find page updates settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and then scroll down until you find pages, and now click this one here, and then just click this icon in the top corner, and then click this one, general settings, and here you will find it, page updates. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.